sky. Roots in the desert, but wondering why. A million raindrops fall to the sand. The loneliest plant in a crowded land. Cactus in the rain. What do you gain when the storm comes down? Do you feel the pain? You stand so tall, but the world's insane. Oh, cactus in the rain. Spikes like armor, but tears still flow. You hide your heart where the flowers won't grow. Each drop that hits is a strange embrace. The rain is a mirror, it knows your face. You don't need a river, you don't need a stream, but here comes the water, washing the dream. No one asks how you stay alive in the storm. You thrive, you thrive. Cactus in the rain. What do you gain when the storm comes down? Do you feel the pain? You stand so tall, but the world's insane. Oh, cactus in the rain. Cactus in the rain. What do you gain when the storm comes down? Do you feel the pain? You stand so tall, but the world's insane. Oh, cactus in the rain. Raindrops whisper, they hum your name. Through every drought, you're never the same. Cactus in the rain.